Ooh, this is so professional. I'm sorry, I'm just very excited. Hello everyone, so you probably can tell the background I have behind me is actually one of my first time using an indoor lighting studio setup, and I know it's not as fancy from other YouTubers, but that's okay. Let's try to fix that by unboxing. Oh, this thing is huge. Alright, let's get into it. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna stand up and let you see what's it like inside the box. Aha, and of course, the remote. I cannot wait to sorry if you can see me, but I cannot wait to set it up and see how good the lighting is. So you can see reflection on my glasses, but that's okay. We're gonna set this up and then I'm gonna see what's it like to before and after footage. So, and boom! What do you guys think? How's the lighting compared to before and after? You know what, for an easier comparison, that's gonna show us two clips. So here we have the before and here we have the after. Honestly, I just take a look at the footage behind it. It is amazing. You know, pretty much my skin show nature tone and it is nice and smooth. You know, it's not as glaring like in my eyes, like ouch, but man, this is beautiful. All right, so let's take a look behind the Godox SL-60W. Let's go. What's it look like when I'm setting up my lighting? So we have a huge massive umbrella and we got the SL-60W with the Manfrotto light stand. Up there we got the 26% right now, pretty bright, so not bad so far. All right, so let's get back to the studio. So I just want to share this concern with everyone regarding to the fan noises on the SL-60W. So far I think it's not bad. It's not really much of a bothering me because I see a lot of people also reply that they might get the older version, which is the newer version, because I just got this light this week, and they probably fixed that fan noises because from where my camera and the lights distance probably like 1 feet away, it's like a little bit close, but I don't believe the mic is picking up. But if there is, I probably can tell right away. But let me know, what do you guys think of the fan noises? Super happy and excited for this video light. Definitely gonna experience some more later down in a future video. But yeah, that's it for now. This has been an unboxing of the Godox SL-60W. What do you guys think? Do you think this light is a yay or nay? If you have any questions, make sure to drop in the comments below. And that's it for now. See you guys next time. Bye.